This 2017 Newmar London Air 4519 with full wall slide and 2-power SLIDEO-UTS is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Garfield, Minnesota, 56332 and is offered for sale by Steinbring Motor Coach. This used Newmar is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slide-outs, a Hatteras Decor Louisiana 17 to 530 interior, external shower, TV antenna, smoke detector, awning, slide-out, microwave, air conditioning, TV, stove-top burner, refrigerator, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half. This 2017 Newmar London Air 4519 with full wall slide and 2-power SLIDEO-UTS is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Steinbring Motor Coach, visit RVUSA.com.